Hello, hello, hello to everyone and to everyone. Hello. I decided to get on out today and stop by Lil old Panera Bread because they got a what is it called? Grilled mac and cheese sandwich. I've decided to get out to try it. But honey, you can either get the half or you can either get the whole. I decided to get the whole, of course. Oh, look at that. Mm-mm-mm. It tastes good. They got you don't have to ask for no extra cheese or nothing. They got it going on at the Paneras. Mm-hmm. This is good. I couldn't wait to try it. Cause me, I love grilled cheese sandwiches. So this right here is good. It costs grilled mac and cheese. It costs $10.16, and it comes with. They gave some. I didn't know they were gonna give some chips, but they gave some kettle cooked potato chips. But this is good. Oh Lord, this is good. Tastes good. Mm-hmm. Go grilled mac and cheese. It tastes good. They got a real good blend. When I seen it, I said, I gotta go try it. Mm-hmm. All right, Panera Bread. It's good. I was hoping that it tastes just as good as it looked on the picture. Let's go. I like these kettle chips because they're more healthier. I'm not gonna be too concerned about it being with the chips, the mac and cheese, and the bread, because I'm not gonna be too concerned about it being too much as far as like starch or whatever, because this is gonna be my only meal I eat for the day. So if you didn't know, now you know. Panera Bread got this stuffed mac and cheese, the grilled mac and cheese sandwich. I haven't even finished my sandwich yet, and I'm already pretty much full. But if you love grilled cheese or macaroni and cheese or whatever, give this a try, okay? Till next time.